Welcome to the Crypto Nest. So, Chain GPT. So, this is another AI stock, and it's just a new baby born crypto on the 10th of April. It did quite a nice impulsive movement on the first day. So, I can label that as a bigger wave one. Actually, I didn't label yet. All right, so Alright, so this is our first wave. Well, once again, it's not, I'm going to say this is not the most reliable price analysis you can do because you have no history, so you have no idea. You can try to, you can only work with the history that you have. So I would say this was a wave one and this was a wave two. I think I already did the Fibonacci retracement. Did erase it, looks like. So if I just take the big impulsive movement, I'm going to put it like this. Take settings for the wave 2. Right, so wave 1, and actually, well, we did a very strong correction here, and we went kind of on the side. We really reacted to this level here, which was the 10 cents. And yeah, the price contained into this retracement for the wave 2, a DO retracement for the wave 2, and now as you can see we're having kind of an impulsive movement. Up to now I can say that, let me put it in 1 hour now. So I can say that this was, if I do micro counting, this should be the third wave in green. I can see that this was the wave 1 and this is wave 2, and all this is the third wave here. If I do the Fibonacci extension from the beginning of the wave 1 to the end of the wave 2, we can see that we really reach and react to the 3.618 level at 30 cents. And after that, we're having this correction. You know, usually third wave, it goes to 1.618, that's the minimum. You know, and yeah, it can go way beyond, as you can see in this case. And now we're having a kind of strong correction. And even though usually I would say, you know, for a wave 4, if it goes below 0.5 Fibonacci retracement, I know I will not consider it as wave 4 anymore. But in this case, because this stock is so volatile, I'm going to kind of give still a chance. For sure, when you drop out from the ideal retracement, you start to be unreliable. So maybe, I don't know, I would say maybe 7 times out of 10 is going to fail the count. But since this is a new coin, you know, it's, yeah, let's try to see how can he work out. On the 1 hour, we can see the EMA 200, maybe it can also react as a support. So up to now, it's still not that bad. I can also draw some trends line here like this, and we can see that we're having a downtrend. Let me see here like that. Is that even a channel? I'm not even sure. Let me see here. Honestly, I would prefer that this was the A, B, C, and now we're doing, yeah, let me try that. So if that is the case, it would be a down trend edge. That would be ideal. Now, yeah, I don't know if I zoom in a little bit. So this could have been the A, and then this is A, B, and C. That could be also possible. and this would be the start of kind of, well, yeah, this, it's a little bit messy to count, or I can just count it as a, let me see, yeah, I could say maybe also that maybe this, it could be that we're doing this correction in one way, in one shot, and this would be the A, B, C, D. We're going to go, unfortunately, lower again, and then after we're going to go higher. But it's not my favorite count, because we're going to go way too low. So this cannot be a wave 4 anymore. And if that is the case, let me go back here. So this is 1, 2, and this has to be another 1 and another 2. So yeah, actually maybe I prefer that count, honestly. Make more sense. It's going to make it even more bullish. And okay, so let me take out, I'm going to put it on the left side to clear up some space. Okay, so this, going to move it a little bit. Still have our reference, but not in the way. And I'm going to leave the count for a moment as a 3, but honestly, I'm going to add this count as well. And I find this is, I would say, the 1. So this would be the wave 1. Didn't want to do that here, this one. So this would be a new wave 1. And yeah, here we should get our second wave. And now it gets more in line with what's happening, and then we would have no problem this E wave, deeper retracement, and it would still be bullish, and actually would be even more bullish, because we're going to have a 1, 2 and another 1, 2. Yeah, that's going to power up the, and also, you know, the RSI, if I check on the, oh no, that's the hour. Let me see the daily RSI, just if we have something, because it's so new, right? So not really reliable, the daily one, maybe 12 hours, we have something to work with. Okay, so 12 hours, it doesn't look that good, but since we're supposed to go a little bit lower for a wave 2, it could be okay. And let's see 4 hours, just for, okay, so 4 hours is not that bad. Oh well, okay. So for a moment, I would say we need to keep an eye on these levels. I would say it wouldn't be crazy to say that maybe we're going to go and test back this resistance, well, previous resistance that maybe can become support, and that's going to be at 17 cents 3, and after that we could really skyrocket. Alright, so this is pretty much all for Chain GPT. Just remember that this is a highly risk coin, so I'm not telling you this is a great investment, but the lower it gets into this box, the more risk toward profits it's beneficial, let's say. So you have less risk, because after that, if it goes below here, it's going to collapse, right? So you can, ideally speaking, because this is not financial advice, you could put get in if it goes near the 13 cents 6, let's say, or 14 cents, and then if it goes below, you can decide where you put your sell stop limit. So your potential loss, it's minimum, but your potential gain, it's way lucrative, let's say. Okay, hopefully you enjoyed the video. If you did, please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell, and have a good day.